Hello, welcome to Lu Cookbook. Today, I will show you how to make a Kung Pao Chicken, Kung Pao Chicken. This is a very common Chinese recipe, and there are many different versions on how to make this. It involves a few steps. First, to prepare the marinated chicken. We normally use chicken thigh, as this part is more flavorful. First, cut the chicken meat into small cubes. Then add in spices, salt, ground black pepper, Shao Xing cooking wine, or any cooking wine, soy sauce. Now mix them up. Optionally, add a touch of dark soy sauce for enhanced color, but you don't have to. Last, adding a touch of cornstarch. Mix them up well. Set the chicken aside and marinate for about 10 minutes. Now, chop up ginger and garlic into tiny pieces and set them aside into a small container. Also, cut green onions into small pieces. Here I cut out a long part of the roots because I will regrow them into future green onions. Cut up 4 or 5 pieces of dried red pepper. And set aside together with Sichuan pepper in one small container. Also, we set aside half of a cup of raw Spanish peanuts. Now, prepare the cooking sauce. In a bowl, put in cooking wine, soy sauce, a touch of dark soy sauce for color, which is optional, dark vinegar, black pepper, sugar, and a touch cornstarch. Mix them well and set aside. Now it's cooking time. First, heat up the wok on medium to high heat, then adding oil. We normally use avocado or olive oil. While the oil is still cold, immediately add in raw peanuts and arrange them into single layer. Shake the wok gently so peanuts heat up evenly until the color turns lightly golden, about a couple minutes. Then take peanuts out to a small container while leaving the oil in the wok. Add in marinated chicken and quickly stir them up. Keep stirring the whole time for about 4 or 5 minutes. You will notice the chicken mostly turn lighter, whitish color. That is about 90% cooked. Then dish out and set aside. Make sure not to overcook. Top up a little more oil and add in dried red pepper and Sichuan peppercorns. quickly stir a few seconds, followed by adding ginger and garlic. Another quick stir for a second, then add back the chicken. If you don't have Sichuan peppercorns, don't worry, it will not ruin the dish. Now, mix and stir for a moment. Then pour in the cooking sauce we prepared earlier. Continue to stir until they fully mix up and the chicken is fully cooked for about another 1 or 2 minutes. Adding green onion and peanuts. After a quick stir, dish out. And it's done. The important thing about this recipe is the chicken should be fully cooked to be safe, but not overcooked to ruin its tenderness. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thanks for watching Luke Cookbook.